Hello, lovely readers. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to read Peppa Pig book named Peppa Goes to Cinema. Peppa and George are going to see the Super Potato movie at the cinema. Get your super potatoes here, shouts Mr. Fox. Mr. Fox's stall is full of toys. There are carrots, bananas, and lots of potatoes. Ooh, says Peppa. Can we get a super potato, please, Daddy? Daddy Pig picks up a super potato. Is it made of plastic? Better than that, says Mr. Fox. It's made of potato. Well, in that case, I will have 2 potatoes, please, says Daddy Pig. Hooray! Cheers, Peppa. Super Potato to the rescue. Peppa goes inside the cinema. She had spotted her friend Susie's sheep. Hello, Susie, says Peppa. Look, I've got Super Potato. I've got him too, replies Susie. Everyone, please take your seats, says Miss Rabbit. The film is about to start. The cinema is big and dark. Peppa's seat is right next to Rebecca Rabbit. Hello, Rebecca, says Peppa. I've got Super Potato. I've got Miss Carrot, says Rebecca. Shh, whispers Mommy Pig. The film is about to start. After a little while, Peppa asks Mommy Pig to take her to the toilet. Is it in here? Asks Peppa, opening a drawer. It's not the toilet. This is the projector. It's the machine that shows the film, says Miss Rabbit. Wow, says Peppa. You get to watch Super Potato all day. Peppa and Mommy Pig sit back down. The film is getting very exciting. Super Potato had rescued Mrs. Carrot, whispers Susie. At the end, there is an extra surprise. The stars of the film walk onto the stage. I want to be Super Potato when I grow up, sighs Peppa. Peppa waves at Super Potato, shows us how you fly. Super Potatoes jumps off the stage, then whizzes up in the air. Remember, children, he shouts, don't try this at home. Crash, boom. Oh dear, Super Potato is stuck in the cinema ceiling. Miss Rabbit flies her helicopter over the cinema. Look, shouts Mommy Pig. Miss Rabbit is lifting Super Potato out. Super Potato has been rescued. Miss Rabbit is a hero. When I grow up, I want to be Miss Rabbit. Cheers, Peppa. Hip hip hooray. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. If you enjoyed this story, please like this video. And if you want to watch more Peppa Pig stories, please go and check my Peppa Pig collection. See you soon with the next story. Until then, bye-bye.